můžete i během jejich vystoupení pozbuzovat. Klukům to určitě pomůže, jen pojďte pořádně pozbudit.
I'm just saying, think back then we was like one and the same, on the right track, but I was on the wrong train. It's like that, now you gotta face the pain, and the devil's got a fresh new place to play. In your brain like a maze, you can never escape the rain. Every damn day's the same shade of gray. Hey, I used to have a little bit of a plan.
Wow, to si zaslouží váš potlesk.
That concept slipped right out of my hand. Never happens to you, we'll see, but it's not gonna happen with me. I guess that this is where we come to. Just like me, somebody who can see all the pain I see. But you proved to me unintentionally that you would self-destruct eventually. Now I'm thinking like the mistake I made doesn't hurt, but it's not gonna work, cause it's really much worse than I thought. I wished you were something you were not. Now this guilt is really all that I got. You turn your back and walk
Kluci vám tady předvádí špičkové kousky, ale vás nějak neslyším, co vy na to? Slyšíte, sami víc, co to říkají, pojďte do nich, pojďte pořádně pozbudit. Happens to you, we'll see, but it's not gonna happen with me. I guess that this is where we come to. If you don't want to, then you don't have to believe me, but I will be there when you go down. Just so you know now. To skoro vypadá, jako tam měl nějakou plošinu, že? Ale ne, já jsem se optal, nemá, je to čistě jeho umění. On to zatlačká i sám, jako je šikovnej, ale zaslouží se i váš potlesk, nejenom svůj, pojďte do něj. Odpočiň si v pohodě, tady je času hafet, krásně, jen, pojďte. A klukům taky určitě. Ano, i člověk, který rád sedí, tohle může ukazovat. Takže freestyle, fotbal, freestyle double, podání Kari. Umí.
His name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, toxic, picking it up. Let's go. Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even is starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him because he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear.
Vážení pánové, Kari Špíra.
That set the West in flames, and I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Why you had the stupidest verses? Dude, it's the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard you fucking with that stock. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. They call him 90% sick.
and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be with, and rappers hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it giving that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best. Dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note, he writes every line, and I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a sign is written in his head every
Přišlo se
time.
podívat i sluníčko, to je dneska víceméně novinka, tak aspoň vidíte, že to je prostě super, pojďte se tleskat pořádně.
Ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do this? Is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Top Beer, Machine Shop.
Wow, tak to byla freestyle double Kari a Škvíra, myslím, že složou velký potlesk, protože ukázali, myslím, set sakramensky hodně. Takže kluci, pojďte se nám ještě jednou klonit, myslím, že to stojí. Pojďte ještě semka zpátky jednou. Pojďte si ještě pro jeden potlesk, pojďte si. Kari a Škvíra freestyle double, freestyle fotbal.